kazi yao ni kutumikia inji na pia kutumikia watu wetu wa Kisii. Moba manye, this has not happened before. Watu wanapewa kazi hata mjui ni kina nani. Sasa tunataka muwajue, na pastor nafikiri tutakuja kuja sisi wote, alafu watu wetu wawajue hapa, tuwe tunasaidia community, tukisaidia pia inchi. Hii grupu yetu, patron yetu ni CS Machogu, kwa maana ndio amepewa kazi kubwa sana na rais wetu, yeye ndio patron wetu. Na msaidizi wake ni Solicitor General wetu Shadrack Mose, angekuwa hapa na sisi lakini angeweza kuwa hapa, na pia ametutumia kwa hii group kwa hii sadaka tunatoa leo 50,000 shillings. Tusema asante. Hao ndio viongozi wetu na hao wengine. The purpose of being here, as we said, first of all is to get the blessings of God through the church, the blessings of the community where we belong. We belong here and we must serve our people. That is the reason why we are here. Mimi wakati nilitafuta kura hapa Nyamira, Omosacha Nyambati, chikabona Japhet Magot chake, president ikangana nchobo chairman, nanchene chairman ninde ya GDC, nancheti moke mono, na wongo konya bana babiri batatu sebano kaki. Na basacha abana bakungu amroche, kero yomara konya bana babiri batatu, tokonya twakonyire community. That is what we are saying. Na boigo asengi chote ne department hao. Kero monto story to go segetana. To make sure nga kere to konye ense yeito ya Kenya. Pia tolengana ligusi. Onye na bali batenere tamache, kuno mongi na hela ni ateba, to make sure amache na ligusi. Onye bali batenere chibengi muna maiko gaiga, to make sure chibesa bantu baito konya bali chilo ne bintu nebi chikokole to konye gesa kukyomugusi. And we felt that the first place to come, Pastor George Naiga, Kisii Central, whether we are in Nyamira or Kisii County, we are in Tumugusi. Now we want to identify ourselves with the Kisii Central as our basis, as our basic church. Igoto wasoto tuguta. Mwaka kom ogoto lenda gaiga pastor tato tuguta. Osama no kaki. And we want to be coming here more often. Igo na kitu wachiraiga mbuya mona samba sabaino. Ntaito gokora. Ngote baiga. A community yetu ya Kisii. We are losing focus. Amangana ya okoleka na mwaka kombo na bande we katusabire community yetu. Amasikani abororo tosikane. Kisegi ekirororo kigotsaleli eta country wide. Ntoki tageti. Shaitani ashindwe. Atotage tusabire community yetu na into toba bantu bagosikwa. Tali okoramana. Tali okochecherania. Tusabire serikali yeye. Nima yetengo bokongumboro as of now. Lakini the president is working so hard, and I want to tell you, which next year more than say you change. Things are going to change. Oletro buoyo. Edora ya chakiro chabu yabono. Ama gutango charense. We want life yabantu baito ever affordable. And we can only do so when you talk support serikali erororo. And we must support it. Unegesa okyomugusi mora abantu abonse nabatebye nande mbali none robo yabantu bali bacholire nabange. We must say thank you to God ekiagara we have gotten this opportunity. Igo sabera ense yaito sabera gusiga igo morembo bororo sabera CS yoito sabera viongozi bacholire so that watoraibuya sabera Nyamira chande gete Amagenderero tayo ye sabera nero gaki nere chande gete mono Nyamira mechardo wata mano Amagenderero tayo. Bosonge ngento karo ka Nechisegi. Sa bosonge Nechisegi chirichikeane. Goseba no kagi. Ekine kito dagete tokolega asiamo. But I want to thank you for receiving us here. Thank you so much. Asoko to karabisaga pastor will be coming all the time. Intuna abana baino mwatumanyire anytime obwate a issue nabogo to tebia. Inche chairman ya abantu abonzi muroche igoti ningisa ni komo Omosacha. Boseba no kagi. Igo abantu abaminto kaiga they are ready to assist our people so that the community again. Otherwise simple amount to kwa magana mange we have come here ntoche timochango. Pastor ntoche timochango aikia timochango torenga. Lakini atuwa gotogocha amasabo moto savere. Ntuwa koleta linda kasadaka kakego. Tokabole chathe. Una gotogochi go saveru alia. Naone kero mwana akogenda seise nangena tare kumwerere sukali. Tokobole na inkikira inkitoko ira aliga na into nga bana baino mbarororo. Akatatena mubwate shida ya air conditioning. Yarego cost US century irenga 100,000. Bono tu abaletara gaiga abanta bonsi gaiga. E group way including Solicitor General Chato Mirechu. To about 500,000 shillings, we get a good day. You go to the Togo, Chago, Mochango, Morocho, Mochango Buri. I got to call it a president in a Machoguna Vand, Nasimbara, Tiachina Vand Vacha. Yaribotima is Naika and Varavetaika, Rakini Indoro. Omosacha Naro, Samaragi, on your Tagocha. In Togo, and Toko, I can see a Tokore.